10. I'm getting knotless braids done. I don't want them to be too chunky, but I want them to be like medium size. Also, the hair is ombre, but it's not like fully. It's not like the last time I did my hair ombre, which was the purple, the pink, and the white. This is just black to blue, black to aquamarine blue. I got hair that was literally the same color of my hair when I dyed it last year, because I really liked that color, and I really want to relive that mermaid fantasy by getting my hair ombre done again. Maybe I should have gotten an ombre braids in like 2 colors instead of black and blue, but I want it to be a little, just a tiny bit, like a literally tiny bit, a bit more ordinary. I had the most annoying hour / 30 minutes yesterday. So they took lights and it was raining. So in my head I was like, man, there's not gonna be light for a while. And I need to switch on the gen. But before I switch on the gen, I have to close the window, sorry, because the sound of the gen is really loud. I got some new plants and I put some of them next to my window. When I was closing the windows, one of them fell down and the water poured everywhere. I've been trying to figure out the plant situation around my kitchen window. So usually this window will be open, but because of last night and all the things that happened, I just closed them. I couldn't just deal with the window being open or opening the window and accidentally pouring over one of these, because there were actually 4 here. There was another one here, but that was the one that fell. Windows open, plants receiving sun. So this is a new guy. Let me talk to you guys about him. This is a giant pothos. This is a pothos, guys. This is such a beautiful pothos. It was growing at an abandoned house. I went to go visit my parents and I was driving by the house and I saw this beautiful pothos growing and I was just like, Jesus Christ, I want some. So I went to go and cut some. I made some into cuttings, into single leaf cuttings. So I have 4 of them in this jar of water and they sit right here. This rubber tree has not perked up. In fact, I've lost 2 leaves from it already. I'm going to give it like another couple of weeks. I'm not going to water it because the soil is already still kind of damp. I'm not gonna water it, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Remember my mom's aloe vera plants that I showed you guys in my last vlog? So I took a cutting from it and this is what it is. I took 2 cuttings. This is the biggest one. This was really under the main plant, so it was literally struggling to come out for light. So that's why it's leaning this way, but it's actually correcting itself. This guy was leaning forward before, but now it's like shifting upwards because it doesn't have to struggle anymore. But look at how big and beautiful and thick. This is a thick, meaty boy. Then we have this little guy over here. I think I'm taking you guys on a plant tour, but this is not a plant tour. This is just me checking up on my plants and making sure they're okay. Roots are growing. 2, I'm going out tonight. I don't want to say I haven't gone out in a while, but when I mean I haven't gone out, I mean like I haven't gone out, like, you know, out in a while. So I'm excited for tonight. We're supposed to hit up South. We're supposed to hit up Bolivar. Bolivar has always been one of my favorite places to go to because the music is great, the vibes are great. Before all of that excitement can happen, I have to work. I have work to do. Plus, I do want to see if I can film a couple of videos today after I'm done with the bulk of my work. Film 2 videos today, one for YouTube and one for Instagram. Instagram one has to do with my hair. It's a hair flick transition. I want to see if I can actually record 2 YouTube videos. I want to see if I can record one, a get ready with me, so a Lagos night get ready with me. And 2, I want to record a products empty. I put the idea of a mukbang, a kind of mukbang on my community tab where I order food or I make food, I sit down and I talk about one particular topic while eating. And I saw a lot of votes that you guys really like that, so I'm thinking maybe I will start doing that soon. In fact, I have a really good topic, a really good idea for the first one. I got accepted into the Korean Influencer Academy. So what the Korean Influencer Academy is, and you guys must be like, what the fuck? You've never mentioned this before, which is very true, is the Korean Cultural Center of Nigeria, and actually the Korean cultural centers around the world, have this influencer program where they accept influencers / ambassadors to create content about Korea, Korean culture, and basically everything to do with Korea. I've always been fascinated by Asian cultures, including Indian, Pakistani, Korean, Japanese, Chinese. Like, I have always been obsessed with Asian culture. Like, I'm just constantly reading up about myths, about stories, about history. And when I saw that they were looking for influencers, they were looking more for YouTubers, I was like, oh, this would be a great way for me to, you know, explore Korean culture and talk about Korean culture. And, you know, the first assignment that is coming up, and I'm telling you guys this now because there are going to be a couple of videos coming up, and you guys might be like, what? But if you didn't watch this vlog, you would know. So please tell your friends to watch this vlog so you will know and not be asking what's going on here. First assignment that we have been giving is to actually talk about how we came to love Korean culture. The first video is going to be me trying out new Korean foods because, to be honest, that is how I got into Korean culture. That's how I really get into culture, is through food. I love eating food. I'm going to be doing a mukbang with Korean foods, and I'm going to be trying out some stuff I've never tried before. It is almost 9 a.m. so I have to, you know, get to my table and, you know, start working because Deola like shining. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. So I am dressed up and ready to go out. Actually, my plans have changed. I'm going to, well, they've not changed. I'm going to the same places except one place is added. I'm going to Bature, Buri, then I'm going to Bolivar, then I'm ending the night at South. It seems like tonight is going to be a fun night out, and I am very, very excited. first meal of the day, I got a chicken sandwich and some wings from, what's this place called? Wingsville? Yeah, Wingsville. I'm starving. I have not eaten anything all day. I've already taken a bite of this burger before I started with the camera. Today's plan is two things. One, there is a poetry reading by Stacy at AAF, so I hope to head there first. I'm going to LITTY for Steve Chuk's birthday. Right now, I'm gonna eat, lay down in bed, watch anime, watch some YouTube, and chill for about a couple of hours before I head to AAF for Stacy's thing. I haven't seen Stacy in so long, so this is a great opportunity for me to meet and catch up with her. This was a good decision. If you don't know Steve Chooks, he is a comedian, actor on Instagram, one of my favorite people on Instagram. We know each other from Instagram, we follow each other, we work together. So, embarrassing, but the book launch is over. It started on time. I took Lego's timing for granted. I thought that, they wouldn't start on time. In my head, I was like, these guys are definitely not going to start on time. But here I am at AAF and the event is over. So I'm just gonna go to Steve Chuk's birthday. He put 4 p.m. on the invite, but I didn't think he or anyone would be there by 4. But now it's a bit past 5, so I'm guessing that this would be a good time. And if I'm there early, I'm there early. TBH, I've been loving it. I've just been in bed. Even though I have like a bunch of shit I need to do, I've just enjoyed my morning in bed, just lying down, pressing my phone. It's nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have my big ass aloe here. It needs to be watered. And I also have a baby aloe as well. So when I took the cutting from my mom's aloe plant, I said I wanted to take one big one and one small one. I also have my baby right here, this tiny one, Patchy Python Forum, aka Sugar. Editing this video, which is the chaotic get ready with me. I basically filmed the get ready of me when I was getting ready 2 nights ago, and how the process went from perfect get ready with me to chaotic nonsense basically. But yeah, if you want to watch that video, it's up on my channel right now. And that brings us to the end of the vlog. Sitting in bed and editing for hours isn't fun at all. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched until the end, if you watched until the end and you're not subscribed to my channel, then I don't know, man. I don't know. You best just subscribe. You best just
subscribe. So thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube and the algorithm that this video is awesome and it shares it to other people. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.